The movie Sean is one of the most entertaining movies of Big B, and it's about two brothers, Ravi and Vijay, who were supposedly the younger brothers of Shiv Kumar, who was a cop, and he was a righteous cop. He could go to any length to solve the issue, and he was very, you can say, kind of workaholic. So there came a time when he had gone on a mission, and it was a fake call by Mac Mohan, who was working for Shakal, the great, you can say, notorious guy. He has enacted the role, Kulbhushan Kharbanda has enacted the role quite well as Shakal because he's bald, and the way he does, and the way he actually runs his fingers on his bald head is really something to feel good about. He really looks like a notorious kind of evil man, and he is involved in most of the illegal activities, and he has an island where he operates from, which is away a few miles from Mumbai, and the location is really cool, very beautiful, and there are 4-5 chieftains who are working under him. Mostly 3-4 are there. One is Dalip Tahil and Macmahon, etc., etc. And he has a shark which comes on the screen because the water, it is on an island. So it showcases whoever goes on the screen. So now he even kidnaps, he got him kidnapped, Shiv kidnapped. And then he wanted to bribe him, but he was so righteous that he escaped, but he got killed in an encounter. So now Vijay and Ravi, who were just pranksters, they didn't used to take life seriously, they used to fool around, and for small time money they used to keep indulging in small acts. But after he passed away, Shiv, they became serious and they wanted to actually defeat Shakal. And in between all these, there came Praveen Bobby, who enacted the role of girlfriend of Big B, who was about to get married to her later, and Bindya Goswami for Shashi Kapoor. So all of them collectively reached the island, and Helen has enacted the role as a dancer in one of the songs. Basically, all of them are Yamma Yamma song. All of them are there. That's a very catchy number. The songs are really cool, and Rakhi as a wife. And Shatrughan Sinha's wife was also captured and killed, and she met with an accident because the brakes were not there in the car where Shakal put her in, and Shatrughan Sinha was also in a very grumpy mood, and he actually was very despondent. He wanted to take revenge, and he also joined along with these brothers, and they collectively defeated Shakal. But in the midst of all this, Rakhi developed affection for Shatrughan, and they wanted to settle down later. So the movie ended on a happy note, but yeah, Shiv was killed. And then there is Mazhar Khan, who is handicapped in the movie, and he has enacted the role quite well. He gives all the information, and there's one catchy number with him as well. So you will really enjoy the movie from beginning till end, and Johnny Lever is also there, and so, he has enacted the role of uncle of Bindya Goswami, and even Bindu is there as a very rich heiress. So the bottom line, when a family decides to actually unitedly defeat someone for a cause, they are able to do in spite of them being weak in the beginning, like Ravi and Vijay. They were just pranksters, but they made up their mind that something bad had happened to the elder, like Shiv Kumar, because he was falsely kidnapped and killed and whatever. So they made up their mind. So determination is what makes you do what your mind is into. So willpower is very important. 5 stars.